Look at this beauty. I find die. Who is this pretty girl? Huh? Hello there, welcome to my channel. So this is just going to be a, what do we call it, a chit chat, get ready with me. So today I'm going to the beach. I'm going to Landmark Beach. Correct those black eyes, correct it. And I'm actually very late, like very late, but I just thought to like vlog today. It was very unplanned, very unplanned, but yeah, we're doing it. So actually I figured that most of my vlogs is not always like very explanatory like that. It's just always like a compilation of like videos, and like sometimes it probably doesn't make sense or you don't even understand what's going on. Like the previous one of my face treatment, I didn't even like give details like that. So my other vlogs to come, like today, we're going to do better. Don't worry, okay? We're going to do better. So I'm just trying to, let's just. So how are you guys doing? It's a new year, and how has the new year been? I hope that the year has been good to you. For me, 2021 has actually been nice. So that's very chill, like nothing serious, and it's just nice. And that's a good vibes. So yeah, I still have like so much just to give, but right now I am in a hurry and my brain is not booting properly. So I think you're just going to watch me get ready, and or should we still continue trying to just, I guess we should, right? We should. So let's get into the gist. I guess there's actually no precise gist, but I'm sure that if we look around, there's definitely something to gist about. Anyways, how has 2021 been for me? 2021 has been good, like good. 2021 has been good. At the beginning of the year, I was supposed to start working like a 9 to 5 job. I got a job that I did not resume, and here I am. Well, when I actually rejected the job, I was sad though, let's not lie. I'm sad. I was kind of happy, because it's not like I wanted to work like that. But, just like having a 9 to 5 job, I was just cool to hear, but not cool to actually do. So I rejected the job, but glory be to God that I've even made past my salary in the month, before the month ended actually. That's not to brag, but it's just like the grace of God sometimes. So like thinking about this, and also about, I would have stressed myself for a very long time, like 30 days, because it was like a month. I said I wanted a job for just 1 month, because hopefully we're going to serve in February. So I said I wanted just 1 month. So I'd have stressed myself to work for 1 month, going to work every day, stressing myself and all of that, and then only for me to now realize that I spent all my salary on transport. What am I even saying? I'm not concentrating. But my point is that it would have been very stressful to have been going to work anyways and spending all my salary on money on transport, I mean. And to think that I actually made more than my salary without leaving the comfort of my house, that was just nice. And like this month I was like really busy, because I'm trying to transition into a new field of career. I'm not stopping YouTube, but just like take my life seriously, and that has been fun. I can't wait to give you guys the gist on that one, but that'll be another video entirely, spill all the gist. So that's been fun, and You guys, I can't wait to give this gist. But anyways, what else? What else? That one has been there. That one was there. So very distracted. What else? What else? What else? I feel like my own 2021 is going to start in February, sure, after Valentine. And then that's when everybody settled and even though you're not getting Valentine's Day, just say I. Let's know ourselves. Let's know ourselves before Valentine comes. But sure, my Valentine, I'm sure that's going to be sweet. I just know. I have that feeling. It's gonna be sweet. I don't have a value and I don't intend to have one. But I know that my Valentine is going to be. I'm talking too much. I'm rambling too much. I think that we'll have to suspend this just till later because I think I don't know how to multitask like that. Well, I can, but you just know this sweet. So, on that note, I'm actually enjoying this deal. Okay, yeah, and another gist again. So my previous vlog there, what I did, it was a what's it called? It was a chemical peel, and I started using tretinoin. I think a week after I did the chemical peel. So like my face was like really peeling and it was just in shambles. So I was like, I would not post till February. No, till after 4 months, sha. And I'll not wear makeup and all that. But then look at me now. I wear makeup. I wore makeup like 3 times. This is the 3rd time this month. And I did my convocation shoot yesterday after like procrastinating for the whole of December and January. I did yesterday, even though I don't like pictures. That photographer itself to be flogged. And then what was I saying? Yeah, so I said I was going to take like a YouTube break, and then I've actually been using my break like wisely, and I think that the break is not going to be breaking because I'm going to post this video before the end of January by the grace of God, so that I have a video that I posted in January. Then in February it would, anyways, in February we'll start proper YouTube. I actually filmed a video like last week, but I'm not going to post it, and that one that I tried to film, but the vibe was just not, I was very tired. So anyways, I think I've been talking too much now. I'll see you guys later. Oh, that is beautiful. Whiskey's voice. Who is this pretty girl? What? Look at this baby. Come on. Hey, babe. What's all this? You even look for you open the door. 모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 그 모습만 판단하니까. 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어, 믿은 내 잘못이지. It's hurting me, but I